Tesla raised 20 billion in cash to use for future purposes. Tesla has had their fifth straight quarter of consecutive profits. The S&P inclusion solidifies their position as a major tech giant. In 3 years, they will roll out the $25,000 EV that will destroy the car industry. On Battery Day, Tesla announced the million mile battery to support their EV efforts, and they've managed to strive during a global pandemic. And they're also vertically integrating into areas like insurance. They are a leader in electrification and self driving with 15 billion miles of data. They are major catalysts coming for Tesla in 2021, such as likely succeeding their 500,000 vehicle deliveries for 2020. The Biden administration also has major plans for EVs. Tesla's gigafactories are fully at capacity, and every car that they create is sold.